In this video, I am going to show you how to make your own disk cleanup utility using CMD script, and just one click clean up your C drive and free up space on your Windows 11 computer. First of all, go to your Google Chrome browser. In address bar, type this link and you will find this link in the video description, and then hit enter and you will find the command prompt script here. Click on download. The disk cleanup utility script is downloaded. Click on open in folder. Double click to open the script, and this is a very simple script. This is script for run the script with administrative privilege. This section is to cleaning user and system temporary files. Next one is emptying the recycle bin, and number 3 is for disk cleanup. Number 4, deep cleaning Windows Component Store, DISM. And all this command will run in a single click. Go to File tab and click on Save As. In Save As type, click on the drop down and select all files and type the name. I'm typing disk cleanup dot bat. Please remember, save as type will be all files and file name extension will be .bat. Then select the location where you want to save. I'm saving it to the desktop, and then click on save. Close Notepad. Right click on the tool and click on run as administrator. Click on yes, and the utility is working properly, deleting system files. The operation completed successfully. Just press any key to exit the command prompt. That's it. This is the easiest way to make a disk cleanup utility and clean up your C drive and also free up a space on Windows 11 computer.